It's snow day, guys, so you know what that means. We need to have a little fun. Yeah. So here we were having a snowball fight, which me and my brothers took way too serious. As you can see. What are you doing? And here we were making snow angels, which I did not like because my legs are kind of cold. So yeah. He kind of oofed in the snow. And here we were making a snowman. Yeah, it looked not that good. We finished and we gave it eyes and a little snowball hat on top. How dare you destroy? He was asking for snowballs, so I gave him one. And here we were just, I don't know what we were doing. My brother, I got mad at him, so I kind of did that. Here I come! So this was fun, guys, but we have to go because it's getting pretty cold. So see you in the next video. Ooh. Wait!